Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Translate and selecting the languages you need. This reduces errors in detection. Make sure the app has camera permission so you can use the camera translate feature immediately. Once done, tap the camera icon at the bottom. You can choose instant or scan mode. You do this first because language selection influences accuracy. Selecting the correct target prevents misinterpretation of idioms and text layout when the camera analyzes the image. Now aim the camera at the text and use instant for real-time overlay or tap scan for a still capture you can refine. Keep the phone steady and align text parallel to the lens. Good lighting and contrast make detection far more reliable. If the app misreads characters, tap the text to highlight and edit recognized words, or crop to the specific area you want translated. These refinements improve both OCR and translation quality. So take a second to tweak before finish by reviewing the translation line by line. You can tap individual words to view alternatives or example usages, which helps when context matters. After confirming accuracy, use copy, listen, or save to history so you can reuse or share the result. If the OCR or translation seems off, retry with a clearer photo or upload a high-resolution image from your gallery. This often fixes issues caused by glare, handwriting, or unusual fonts. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the lens and increase lighting before rescanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.